Here's how to delete your Google account in 2026. Now, on any browser, go to google.com. You can use an iPhone, Android, or computer. And at the very top right, you'll be able to see your profile. You can just tap on that and make sure you're on the right account. Of course, you don't want to accidentally delete the wrong account. If you're on the wrong account, you can just hit show more accounts and sign into the correct account. Now from here, we're going to tap on manage your Google account, and then from here, data and privacy. Now within data and privacy, we'll be given the opportunity to delete a service if you just wanted to delete Gmail or YouTube or Google Drive or something like that. However, we can choose to delete your entire Google account if we wanted to as well. Keep in mind, you probably want to back up everything first. When you're ready to go, we can scroll down to the bottom and tap delete your Google account. And it might ask you for your password just to confirm you own that account. After you've done that, it says, please read this carefully. All of this content will be deleted. All your Gmail, your YouTube, your Google Drive, your calendar, all of that stuff. If you're ready to go and you've downloaded everything, you can just tap on this yes, I acknowledge, and then tap the blue delete account button, and you're good to go.